Welcome to the project kickoff meeting. My name is Ye Deng, and I'm glad to host this meeting. And in this meeting, I will introduce the situation of the company and also the project. And here is the outline of the meeting. First, I want to introduce the company situation and also the project background. Next, I will introduce the stakeholders in this project and also what the project is. Then finally, the benefits and the plans for this project. The first, the introduction to the company Catalent. Catalent Pharma Solutions is a multinational corporation headquartered in Sunrise, New Jersey, United States. It is a global provider of delivery technologies, development drug manufacturing, biologics, gene therapies, and consumer health products. The Catalent have more than 12,000 employees worldwide, and this include and more than 2,400 scientists and technicians. And there are over 2.5 billion annual revenues achieved in the year 2019. It's a big company. And the main product of the Catalent is integrated service, superior drug delivery technologies, and manufacturing solutions to client clinical organization or research labs. And it's introducing more than 200 new products and manufacturing over 70 billion doses each year. Which means the Catalent's main product is going to help the client to produce the product. For most of the clients, they are small labs or small clinical organizations just doing the clinical trial. And they don't have the facility to produce the large amount of protein drugs. Then that's the job of Catalent. They are going to be our partner of Catalent, and we help producing their drugs, and they are they are focusing on the clinical trial. And here's a brief history of Catalent. Catalent was formed in April 2007, and it formed from the Blackstone Group with the pharmaceutical technology and service segment of Cardinal Health. Then they formed Catalent. And in 2016, it gets the license to produce the drug. And in 2017, it expanded their ability to biological manufacturing. And in the July 2018, the Catalent extended its work, and it got 133 million deals with the Juniper Pharmaceutical. Right now, it's some kind of a middle-aged and middle-sized company. And then in the year 2020, this year, the Catalent now is partnered with multi-drug makers, including Pfizer's Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, and Moderna, to provide manufacturing, viral filling, and packaging capability for COVID-19 vaccine candidates. Also, it's just being announced, it was also the partner with Viral Clear to manufacturing COVID-19 vaccine candidate, and in the Catalent's St. Petersburg facility. So basically, this year, especially this year, Catalan developed a lot due to the COVID-19 situation, and it has a lot of the partnership with the companies who produce the COVID-19 vaccines. Then the next, I will introduce the project background. The first, the COVID-19 pandemic. I think everybody right now should be aware that the COVID-19 is the most severe EU or sickness in the year 2020, or maybe in the future years. And here is the data by updated to today. On the date August 1st, 2020, there are 4.5 million cases positive tested and 154,000 death cases, a total in the United States. And in the other hand, in worldwide, there are more than 17 million cases being tested positive and also more than 67,000 deaths. This is very severe, and even by now, the speed for this disease is increasing fastly. There are more than 60,000 daily increase cases in the United States and more than 289,000 daily increase cases in worldwide. And here's the map of the United States increased cases for the COVID-19. We can see that on March is only increasing around 100 per day, and after about 2 months of increasing about 30,000 per day, and recently it's going to more than 60,000 increasing daily. So we know the COVID-19 is very severe and it affects everybody's life. Then, the other hand, the vaccines for the COVID-19, we know due to the large numbers of the cases and also the increasing speed, it's almost impossible to get the COVID-19 disease disappeared without the vaccine. So everybody is waiting for the vaccine. And here is our partner of Catalan, the Moderna. Their vaccine right now is in phase 3, and it will be put on market maybe on the early 2021, which means there are a lot of demand for this vaccine, and we'd better to produce more of the vaccines, not only for our profit, also for the every human beings worldwide. So this is the project. We need to expand the manufacturing area. So we plan to expand the manufacturing area to increase the production ability of vaccine drugs. This is the total idea of the project. And let me welcome all the stakeholders of the project. First, I will introduce the CEO of the company, John Kaminsky, and the COO and the CFO of the company, and the set general manager, set project manager, and set finance manager of the company. And then the technology leaders, the quality managers, and supply chain managers. So this is the project plan. We plan to increase more than 12,000 physical manufacturing area. This will increase the 3 manufacturing batch lines and increase more than 100 production batch ability annually, and increase more than 10 million profit manually. And for this project, the key factor, is the time. We need to finish the construction, the expand of the manufacturing area as soon as possible due to the fast development of the COVID-19 and also the vaccines. So the project should be completed by the end of calendar year 2020. It should meet all the federal and local building specifications, and also, for the drugs to meet the FDA environment requirement. Then the duties. So, due to the urgent of the project, we need the project plan by the date August 10th, and this is by project manager. Then it will be the quality manager's duty to provide the quality control plan on September 1st, and the supply chain manager to provide the material supply plan on September 1st. So with all these plans, we can start to finish the project as soon as possible. Okay, here is the everything for this project, the background and the duties. Yeah, thank you, and welcome to this meeting. And please give me questions if you have. Thank you.